out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a graphic liner look for you. This can be done with any color, any liner that you have. So be sure you are subscribed before we get started today. And if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep watching. So today I'm going to start off by dipping into this palette, and I'm just going to take this warm brown shade and place that all over my eyelid. Next, I am taking a clean, fluffy brush and I'm just buffing out those harsh edges. Now I'm just taking my normal everyday bronzer and I'm just making that harsh line not so harsh anymore, and I'm just cleaning that up by buffing that color into my crease. Now I'm just taking the same shade and putting that underneath my eye. This is completely optional, but I just wanted to warm up the underneaths of my eye. Next, I'm taking this hourglass glitter and I'm placing that all in the center. I'm then going in with that original color I started off with, and I am blending that in the inner and outer corners so it looks seamless. I am now picking up my liquid liner and I am creating a wing. Now I'm just picking up an angled brush that I have and I am using black eyeshadow to set the liquid liner. Now this part is optional. You don't have to place the eyeshadow in your tear duct, but I did. I actually ended up taking it off because it was irritating my eyes, but that's totally up to you. This is optional. You don't have to do it, but it does make the liner look a little bit more seamless. Now I'm using a very small fine brush and I'm using that black eyeshadow, and I am beginning to drag that to the wing of where that will connect, if that makes sense. So I'm just lightly dusting the shadow and dragging that out towards the end. Next, when that is complete, you'll go in with your liquid liner and follow the line that you just created. And it should look like this. These lashes are so awesome. I got these at a Halloween store and they're perfect. I wear them every single day. That is the end product of this graphic liner look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.